Mark Burns-Williamson, welcome to the University of Huddersfield.
Hello.
You're here today for a criminology conference hosted by the Applied Criminology Centre here. You've been talking about reducing crime and increasing feelings of safety in West Yorkshire in your position as Police Crime Commissioner. What do you see as your priorities for the remainder of your tenure?
Well, the Police and Crime Plan, which I've been talking about today at the conference, is the benchmark by which West Yorkshire Police will deliver against that plan over the next 5 years or so. So the key outcome to that is for our communities to be safer and feel safer. How do we do that? Well, partnership working, I think, going forward is absolutely critical. We've heard about the budget cuts, very significant for the police as well. We're losing roughly 40% of our budget over 6 years, £160 million. It's going to be even more important to work together with local partners like the council, like the fire authority, the health service, to look at how we target the services at the very local level. So neighbourhood policing and how we deliver that locally is an absolute priority.
And would you have any requests from the public? Because obviously 40% cuts, you need help obviously to bring this about. What would you look for from the general public of West Yorkshire?
Yeah, I mean, it's essential that we work closely with the public because the police and all the other agencies in the community safety field cannot be really effective without the cooperation of the public. So we have neighbourhood watchers, we have lots of voluntary groups, volunteers doing some great work around helping people to stop reoffending, for example, or whether it's people suffering from alcohol or substance misuse, programmes that volunteers get involved in that really help the police to prevent reoffending. And the Police and Crime Plan is actually based on a lot of public consultation, so the priorities set out within that plan hopefully reflect by and large what the public have said to us.
And you say what the public have said to you. What is your perhaps number one priority? What's the public's number one priority?
I think from the public's point of view, there's two things that seem to come out top of the surveys and the engagement. One is that they really want to see those neighbourhood policing teams protected, to provide that visibility and the local contact so that they can feel safe and reassured that there is someone there that they can get to know and it will be acted upon. And secondly, it's things around antisocial behaviour, because whilst sometimes people's lives can be blighted by sort of persistent things that happen outside their door or in their neighbourhood, and we need to take that very seriously to nip it in the bud to assist members of the public.
And Mark, I know that you've only been in the position for 7 months now, but on a personal note, are you enjoying it?
I was elected in November of last year. It's a new role. It's a big change from what was before the police authority. And I really want to make a positive difference in holding the force to account for the way that policing is delivered. But given the budget cuts, it's a tough challenge, but I'm up for that challenge.
The University of Huddersfield, inspiring tomorrow's professionals.